Hey everybody, it's John Thomas. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on the video today. Today I am in Sanya. I am so excited to be here today and take you guys along with me. So if you're interested in checking out a little bit of Sanya, then stick around for the rest of the video. This time I'm doing hoteling a little bit different. I am hotel hopping. So apparently what you do when you're in Sanya is you stay at multiple hotels. So today I am staying at the Conrad Hotel. I'm here for 2 nights, and then for 2 nights at the Mangrove. So I'm so excited to do something similar to what the locals do, where you stay in multiple hotels while you're here. I had no idea that was a thing. Typically I like to be comfortable and not switch my hotels so I can stay in one spot. But you know what? For my 3rd attempt in Sanya, I'm gonna do something a little bit different. And I'm on a flamingo. So, yeah, there's that. So I've got a lot of fun things planned over the next couple of days, and I cannot wait to show to you, but I'm gonna keep it a secret because some of the things are pretty freaking cool, and I cannot wait to take you guys along with me. Those will be separate videos. So what I thought I'd do today is show you my hotel room, then we'll show you the beach. I went down there this morning for sunrise, and it was absolutely spectacular. So let's kick off the video there. So let's head down to the beach. Today's day 1, I'm back in Sanya. And this place is even better than last time. I can't believe how many people are here. Like, you'll have to take a look here. Let me show you how many people are here. So if we pan around, it is 6:45 in the morning and everybody's here. And everybody's here to capture this amazing sunrise. So cool to be able to be here. There's not a cloud in the sky. Well, I mean, there's a couple clouds in the sky, but it's one of the most beautiful mornings I've ever seen here in Sanya. Maybe I'm not up always as early as I think, but I was waking up this morning and I have a room with this ocean view, and I thought, I gotta go get a picture of this sunrise because it looks like it's gonna be incredible. So when you walk in the room, first of all, you walk in from outside. It's like a metal door, and you walk in through that, and then you enter in through a courtyard. And once you're in that courtyard, you walk in and you can see the door on your left, and then you can continue to walk straight down the path, passing the villa, and then you come upon the pool. And in the pool, you can see that you've got a couple of lounge chairs that are there with some towels on them so that you can relax. So in this villa, you get your own private pool, which is great. So then you make your way back around, because I haven't unlocked the sliding glass doors yet, and you walk in through the front door. Once you get in through the front door, you can turn it right, and then you are here where I am at. So this is the master bedroom. This is the biggest room in the villa. So you can see the whole room, and a couple of unusual things about this room though. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but like they put a towel over here. I guess maybe there's a lot of people that come and sit on that in wet clothes, but I'm afraid to pull it up because I don't want to see what's underneath it. Should we look? I don't know. Okay, let's look. Oh, nothing. Okay, good. Alright, I'll fix that later. So, after you go through the bedroom, then you come upon kind of the mini bar area here. And if you open up the drawer or the cabinet, you can see that there are a couple of free mini bar items. So I got like a Coke and a Sprite and an apple juice and orange juice and a couple of like kids juice boxes. And then we come into the bathroom. And this bathroom is quite remarkable. So you've got these open windows here that look out onto this like little courtyard area, which is really cool. And then you've got 2 sinks in each area, and then the shower here, which is quite lovely. And then you've got the bathroom here. Or, I'm in the bathroom. You've got the toilet here. So, that is the room. So I made it to the Atlantis Hotel and yeah, check out the aquarium. It's crazy. That is the biggest stingray I think I've ever seen. Holy moly. So many of them. They're like following each other. But right next to the aquarium here is the Gordon Ramsay restaurant. So, and it looks empty. Why am I so excited about this? So I tried to go online and book a reservation, but it didn't work. And so now I have to wait. But they have this really cool bar. And so I'll get a cocktail. They have a short rib burger. Short ribs are my favorite. Every time I see it on the menu, I have to order it. So I'm pumped to try that out. So I got a table. I'm so happy. I just ordered my food. It should be coming out shortly. I ordered tuna tartare and then my short rib burger. I've been craving a burger. I know that's not this typical burger, but I just think that that's what I want. Anyways, I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out. So I finished that meal. It was absolutely incredible. I'm so full. Today has been such a day of luxury. You'll find out more about that tomorrow. But I'm gonna check out the rest of this Atlantis Hotel and shopping mall. And just wanna thank you guys for hanging out with me today, checking out my room. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, you guys have a great day. Bye.